So, boys and girls, last week we learned all about the important impact that butterflies and bees and bats and hummingbirds have on plants. They're called pollinators because they help those plants spread their pollen so that they can make seeds. Without those animals, those insects doing that, seeds would not happen. The plants wouldn't be able to make more of themselves. So now we're going to start studying seeds and plants. This book is called Seeds Go, Seeds Grow by Mark Weekland. And this book is full of photographs. This book is nonfiction. It's about true things. So there's an example of what some seeds look like, but seeds look all different. Seeds go, seeds grow. And here's a perfect example of that. These are all seeds. I'm sure you're thinking to yourself, I've eaten those before. Seeds are a good, nutritious snack, so you probably have. Hard and silent, a seed does not look alive. But inside each seed is a living plant waiting to grow. So a seed does not look living, but inside it has a little plant that's waiting to get water and sun and open up and start a plant. Every seed has a tough outside coat. The coat keeps the small living part of the seed safe. You may have seen these outside. These are walnuts, and they have like it's like a shell almost. When you open that shell, you find the seed. Here's the walnut. This is something that you might have eaten or had in a cookie or a brownie. Beneath the coat, a layer of food feeds the seed as it grows. Where can you find seeds? Everywhere. Fleshy fruits like watermelons and pumpkins hold handfuls of seeds. Have you ever eaten a watermelon or a pumpkin? I bet even if you've carved a pumpkin, you've seen all the seeds that are inside. Some seeds, like sunflower seeds, are easy to see. They grow on the outside of a plant. This is a helpful label, seeds. I like sunflower seeds to eat. Peas are seeds that grow inside pods. The outside of each pea will dry up and harden until planting time. Seeds from a maple tree twirl through the air like helicopters. Dandelion seeds drift in the wind like balloons, traveling to far-off places. When I find a dandelion that has all of its seeds showing, I like to take it and blow on it and make a wish. And that's spreading all of its seeds around. A coconut seed floats like a boat in the water. Carried by ocean currents, it lands on a beach. Then the seed will sprout. Sprouting is when a little plant comes out of the seed. It's always exciting. Prickly seeds covered in hooks stick to the fur of animals. You might have gotten some of these on your clothes or seen them on your animals. They're called birds, but they have seeds inside. Carried by dogs, bears, and other furry creatures, these seeds hitch a ride to a new location. How are seeds made? They begin with flowers. Each flower produces pollen. That's that yellow, kind of dusty. Grains of pollen look like fuzzy yellow dust near the center of a flower. Busy butterflies, bees, and moths carry pollen from blossom to blossom, and this process is called, anyone remember? Pollination. Pollination, they're such good little helpers. After pollen grains attach to the sticky sides of a flower, seeds begin to form, and as the seeds grow larger, the old flower falls away. Most seeds fall to the earth and grow without help. People sometimes help seeds to grow by planting them in the soil. That's what I know lots of us have done. And it was so nice of Waylon and his mom to send us all those seeds and show us how to plant them. When seeds get warm enough and plenty of water, they awaken. And when the little seed gets the water and sun, it wakes up and it opens. The seed bursts out of its shell coat and begins to grow or germinate. Roots push into the soil. That always happens first. The roots grow down into the soil. Then planted seeds cast off their shell coats and they become seedlings. What was once a hard plant is now what was once a hard seed is now a soft green plant. And that's the end. So that book teaches us all about how the seeds grow and start new plants and how we can take care of seeds to make sure that they turn into new plants. And I also love that it showed you more about pollination and how butterflies and plants are related. They help each other. All right, so keep an eye out for those things. Some of you have your little sprouts growing, and some of you might just have to look for it while you're out on a walk or in books, okay? See you tomorrow.